Walk right up behind her. The closer you are to the dog, the better chances you'll have this for a shot. Oh. Is that a grouse?
Yep.
Okay. She's still on point, so let's keep... There goes! That was dead, right?
I thought so, yeah.
Okay. Come on, D! Dead! There goes! Woodcock! Just like I said.
Where's my egg?
That's what you got.
The mama and the baby. No,
Woodcock and a grouse.
And a grouse.
All
Andre
right.
shot this grouse. Good shot, Andre.
Yeah, look at me. Ready?
Yeah, ready. I'm gonna get run over.
Where? Come on, baby. Come on.
Get on the dog.
Jack, what is it today? Is that a flush?
Yeah, flush.
Oh, boy.
Oh, this is already took off that way, I guess.
Yeah.
Mahesh, get right on the dog.
Yeah, you can't do
Okay. He's creeping. Let's just make sure he doesn't have... That bird doesn't have friends.
Get up on the dog.
There it goes. But there might be a second one, so keep behind the dog. This is probably that grouse, but I mean, there definitely could be more. So keep moving up. There goes another one. Keep moving. There it goes! Oh, keep going in case he's got a friend. Good girl, Dee. Where is it? There it goes! Okay, stand out. I'm gonna walk kind of in front of him. Okay. There it goes!
Down.
Did it go down? Come on, Pi! Dead! There it goes! Pi!